Katie with Kansas Hydrographics. We are here to show you Bikini Girl's color. This is part of our Monster Summer release for 2017. We put up a poll on Facebook a while back asking for suggestions for patterns for this year's Monster Summer release, and some ladies in bikinis was a request, so here you go. This is the same pattern as our black and transparent bikini girls. This one's just in full color. So there you have it. There's a lot of color going on. The background is like a really light blue. It's almost, well, I think it's supposed to look like waves. It looks like the ocean. So it'll probably turn up better here on a speed shape. We're gonna dip to a white speed shape. This pattern does like to roll up quite a bit, so keep that in mind when you're cutting your piece of film. We spray activator at around 17, 18 psi. This is a thirsty pattern. But that's a very vibrant and clear, those are pretty crisp images. Doesn't get much better quality than that. And that is definitely like I think it's more like pool water in the background there. This obviously would not be my choice of film, but I'm sure some of you guys out there would like it. And that's going to be in the miscellaneous section. Of course, that's at KansasHydrographics.com. Thank you guys, and we'll see you next time.